picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. Where's Peter? Can you see him?
He's wearing a blue t-shirt.
Is he cooking?
That's right. He's cooking sausages and eggs for breakfast.
I'm hungry.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Which girl's Daisy?
She's got a bowl of water.
What's she doing?
She's washing her face.
Oh, yes. Ooh, that water's cold.
2.
What about Fred? What's he doing?
He's sleeping.
Where? I can't see him.
He's under that blanket.
Oh, yes. He's very tired.
3.
Where's John?
He's sitting on the grass.
What's he doing?
He's looking at the map.
4.
Look at Sally.
Where is she?
She's standing up.
What's she got in her hand?
It's her toothbrush.
5.
Can you see Jill?
Yes, she's behind the chair.
What's she doing?
She's putting her towel on it. It's very wet.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. I work here in the library. Can I ask you some questions, please?
Yes, OK.
Thank you. Now, what's your name?
Sue Clark.
Is that C-L-A-R-K?
Yes.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Now, how old are you, Sue?
I'm 12.
Sorry, how old?
12.
OK, fine.
2.
And where do you live?
I live opposite the park.
What's the name of the street?
Hill Street.
Is that H-I-double-L?
Yes, that's right.
3.
Now, which day do you come to the library?
I can only come once a week, on Monday.
Not at the weekend?
No, I come on Monday after school.
4.
And how many library books do you read every week, Sue?
I read 7 books a week.
7? That's a lot.
Well, I love reading.
5.
And last, what kind of books do you like best?
Oh, I don't know. That's difficult because I like a lot of different kinds of books.
Well, do you like books about animals or people?
The books I like best are about horses.
Oh, we've got a lot of books about horses here. Thank you, Sue.
Look at the pictures. What did John do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, John. Where were you last week?
I went to see my cousins, Peter and Sally.
Did you enjoy that?
Yes. On Wednesday we went to the forest on our bikes.
Did you have a picnic there?
Yes.
Can you see the line from the word Wednesday? On Wednesday, John went to the forest on his bike. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Where did you go on Monday?
We went to the lake.
What did you do there?
We flew our kites. Mine went into the water.
Oh dear.
2.
And what about Tuesday?
Tuesday. We rode to the village that day.
Did you go on your bikes again?
Yes. We went to the shop to buy some bread for our picnic.
3.
On Saturday, we went to the lake again.
That was nice.
And we sailed our toy boats.
Was it sunny that day?
Yes. Lots of people swam in the lake there.
4.
And on Sunday?
Let me think. Oh yes, we went for a walk.
In the park?
No, we went to the forest.
Great.
And a beautiful bird flew over our heads.
5.
What about Thursday? Sorry, I mean Friday. Did you go to the forest again?
No, my uncle's got a boat and we went sailing in it.
Did you have a picnic that day too?
No, we took some sandwiches and had them on the boat.
That's nice.
Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What did Sam do at school today?
Hello, Sam. Did you enjoy school today?
No, not very much.
Why not?
We all wrote stories.
Was it difficult?
Yes, I like reading stories, but I don't like writing them.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Jill?
What would you like to eat, Jill?
I'm not very hungry, Mum. I don't want any breakfast.
What's the matter? Have you got stomachache?
No, but I've got earache and I'm hot.
Well, you mustn't go outside today.
2. Which child is Ben?
Look at this photo of my birthday party. Can you find me?
Oh, Ben, that's difficult. You're all wearing party clothes. Are you the bat?
No, that's my friend John.
Are you the clown then?
Yes, I am. And this rabbit is my sister.
3. What does John want for lunch?
Would you like some soup for lunch, John?
We had that yesterday. Can we have something different, please?
What about a pizza?
Oh, great. And can we have burgers and French fries for supper?
4. What does Jane want to take to Jim's house?
Do you want to come to my house after school, Jane?
Yes, but I must do my homework first. I can bring my new video. It's great.
Oh, good. We can watch that and then listen to my new CDs.
OK, Jim.
5. What did Nick do at the weekend?
Did you go to the beach at the weekend, Nick?
No, we didn't, because it was cold and windy.
So, what did you do? Did you go to the cinema?
No, my friend Kim phoned and we went skating.